वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल कविताज स्टडी अड्डा। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम इस वीडियो में सॉल्व करेंगे क्लास 11th इंग्लिश हॉर्नबिल के पोएम चाइल्डहुड के क्वेश्चन आंसर। थिंक इट आउट। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, identify the stanza that talks of each of the following: individuality, rationalism, hypocrisy. Answer the stanzas that talk of each of the quality in questions are given below. Individuality, third stanza; rationalism, first stanza; hypocrisy, second stanza. Question second, what according to the poem is involved in the process of growing up? Answer, according to the poem, the loss of childhood is involved in the process of growing up. The loss is compensated by some gains which come with adolescence. These are increase in understanding, power of rationalizing, and discrimination, as well as a sense of individuality and self confidence. Question third, what are the poet's feeling towards childhood? Answer, the poet regards childhood as an important stage in the process of growing up. Childhood is a period of make believe. Children readily accept whatever the elders say. The poet does not feel any regret or sense of loss on losing his childhood. Question 4. Which do you think are the most poetic lines? Why? Answer, the following lines in the poem are most poetic. It went to some forgotten place that's hidden in an infant's face. That's all I know. These lines beautifully sum up the process of growth and the disappearance of a particular stage of life. These lines have a figurative or metaphorical meaning also. The infant's innocent face hides many things behind its smiles. Perhaps the childhood lies hidden in some forgotten place, lying buried deep inside a child's consciousness. More questions solved. Short answer type questions. Extra questions for examination point of view. Question 1. What did the speaker learn about the existence of heaven and hell? Answer, as the speaker grew to be mature, he acquired reasoning power. He realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography book or atlas, since they could not be located anywhere in the world map. He concluded that they did not exist. He would believe only what he could see and find. Question 2. How did the speaker realize the hypocrisy of the adults? Answer, the speaker noticed a wide gulf between what adults appeared to be and what they actually were in real life. There was apparent contradiction between their words and deeds. They talked of love and advised others to love, but they never acted lovingly. Question 3. How did the realization of being the master of his own mind help him? The realization that he was the master of his own mind and could use it in any way he liked filled him with self confidence. He could now think independently and need not repeat parrot like thoughts of others. Long answer type questions. Question first. Childhood is an essential state in the process of growing up, but it can't go on forever. Discuss. Answer. Childhood is an important stage in the process of growing up of every person. The human infant is totally dependent on others, but during childhood, he gains physical, emotional, and mental strength. As the tiny baby grows bigger in size, other faculties also develop. This stage is an important landmark in man's growth, but it can't go on forever. Childhood, being a stage, must give way to another stage. It is followed by adolescence or early youth. Now, all the faculties are fully developed. The person acquires reasoning power. His rationalism helps him to decide truth or falsehood, fact and fiction. He acquires a fine capability of analysis and discrimination. Now he can see through persons and things. He begins to understand the hypocrisy of adults. He gains confidence and becomes an independent thinker. स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। यदि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो इसको लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।